Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Hallmark Movies Now subscription and start enjoying heartwarming content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Hallmark Movies Now website or download the app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button to begin the subscription process. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a password for your new Hallmark Movies Now account. Step 4. Provide any required personal information such as your name and address. Step 5. Select your subscription plan. Hallmark Movies Now offers monthly and annual options with different pricing. Step 6. Enter your payment details including credit card information or select an alternative payment method. Step 7. Review your subscription details and billing terms carefully before confirming. Step 8. Complete the payment process and log in with your credentials. Start streaming thousands of Hallmark movies, series, and original content immediately on any compatible device, including smart TVs, phones, and tablets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.